Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make a leaf. They're super easy to make, so let's get started. So for today's tutorial I'm going to be using this 8/6 cotton, 100% cotton yarn, and to pair with it I'm going to be using a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. Now this is a smaller crochet hook, but I personally like to use a smaller hook when using a smaller yarn, just because I like to have less spacing within my stitches, but you can use whatever yarn you want and whatever hook you want. We're also going to need a darning needle to weave in our ends at the end of the project. So once you have all of your supplies, we will get started. All right, so to begin, we are going to start off with a slip knot. So how we do our slip knots is we wrap our yarn around our finger. So we have two parallel lines in the front and a cross in the back. We're going to lift up the front yarn and put it over top of the back yarn. Grab the back yarn and pull it off our finger. And there is our slip knot. Now to start off this project, we are going to start with a chain 11. So to do a chain, we're going to yarn over and pull through, and that is one chain. So we're going to do that 11 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's our chain row. Now the first thing that we're going to do is when you're looking at your chains, you're going to see there are little V's all the way along. So when we're working into our chain, we're going to skip this very first chain that's closest to our hook, and we're going to be working into the second chain from the hook. And we're going to be working into the top loop of that chain. So the first stitch we're going to do working into this top loop is a single crochet. So insert into the top loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and that is one single crochet. Next, we're going to move into the next stitch. We're going to place another single crochet. So insert into the top loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and that is your second single crochet. And I can just bring you in a little bit closer. Next, we're going to place half double crochets. So we're going to yarn over, and working into this very next chain right here, we're going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, so you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. That's a half double crochet. Now we're going to do that again, yarn over into this next chain right here, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Just like that. Next we're going to place 2 double crochets. So yarn over and then into this next chain, insert, yarn over, pull through, so you have 3 on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to do that one more time, yarn over, insert into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's what we should be looking like right now. Next, we're going to place 3 triple crochets. So for a triple crochet, we're going to yarn over twice, insert our hook, yarn over and pull through, and you should have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. That is a triple crochet. Do that 2 more times. Insert, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We'll do that once more. through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now in the very last chain here, we're going to place 1 double crochet. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now lastly, we're going to place a slip stitch into that very same stitch here. So insert, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through, and that's going to create 1/2 of our leaf here. Now we chained 11 originally, but we skipped the first chain, so we should only have 10 stitches that we crocheted into. So now we're going to work up the other side of our chain row, again another 10 stitches. And we're going to do the exact same thing we did on the way down, but opposite. And I'm going to also crochet over my yarn end, and that's going to just decrease the amount of weaving in I need to do at the end. So we're going to start off with a double crochet, and we're going to insert into now that bottom loop of the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're going to do a triple, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Do another triple, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We'll do one more. All right, next we're going to do a double crochet in the next chain here. So yarn over and insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One more double crochet. Next we're going to do 2 half double crochets. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. One more time for a half double. Insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. And to end off, we're going to place 2 single crochets. So insert, yarn over, pull through 2. And one more in this very last chain. Which usually proves to be difficult. Over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now I'm just going to place a slip stitch here, and I'm going to cut my yarn. And I'm going to yarn over and pull through. Just going to bring you out a little bit. Now I'm just going to cut that yarn end that I crocheted into. And there is your leaf. Now the last thing you're going to want to do is just weave in your yarn end here. And that is your crocheted leaf. You could really do this for anything. You can make these for, if you're doing flower appliques or a bouquet of flowers that you're crocheting or whatever you want to use them for. They're super easy to make. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please let us know in the comments down below if you have any questions or any other tutorials you're looking to see. Otherwise, please subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!